it's gone. I might as well go right in there for a little video. I'm sitting in here. Ooh. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, holy jeepers crumbs. We are having us a lovely day here on the Atlantic Ocean. This is with Jeff Ross, Fishing Adventures, Fishing Family Adventures, and all that good fun stuff here. Get your Coke, get your Pepsi, get your snacks, because we're going to have a storm this weekend. It's going to be high winds, lots of snow, lots of rain, all kinds of stuff coming, weather warning. I forgot to put the door closed, so I don't think they're happy with me up here. They're closing it on me. Where do they think I'm going, huh?